Highlighter makeup. Tips for a radiant glow. Highlighter makeup can transform your look, adding a radiant glow and enhancing your best features. Whether you're going for a subtle shimmer or a bold, lit from within shine, mastering the art of highlighting can elevate your beauty routine. Here are essential tips to achieve a flawless and glowing finish with highlighter makeup. 1. Understand the purpose of highlighter. Highlighter is designed to bring light to the high points of your face, creating dimension and enhancing your natural features. It works in harmony with contouring to balance light and shadow for a sculpted, glowing appearance. 2. Choose the right highlighter for your skin tone. Selecting a shade that complements your skin tone is crucial. 1. Fair skin. Opt for pearl or champagne shades. 2. Medium skin. Look for golden or peach-toned highlighters. 3. Deep skin. Choose bronze or warm golden tones to avoid a stark, ashy look. 3. Pick the right formula. Highlighters come in various formulations, each offering a different finish. 1. Powder. Great for oily skin and a more intense shimmer. 1. Ideal for layering. 2. Cream. Provides a natural, dewy glow and blends seamlessly with other cream products. 3. Liquid. Perfect for a soft, radiant finish. 3. It can be mixed with foundation for an all-over glow. 4. Prep your skin to ensure a flawless application. Prepare your skin. 1. Exfoliate to create a smooth surface. 2. Moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and plump. 3. Use a primer to ensure your makeup lasts longer. 5. Know where to apply. Highlighting is about enhancing the high points of your face, areas where light naturally hits. Key spots include: 1. Cheekbones. Apply on the highest points to accentuate their shape. 2. Bridge of the nose. A thin line down the bridge of your nose creates a slimming effect. 2. Avoid the tip if you want a subtle look. 3. Brow bone. Add a touch below your eyebrows to lift and define your eyes. 4. Cupid's bow. Highlighting above your upper lip adds dimension and makes lips appear fuller. 5. Inner corners of eyes. A small amount in the inner corners brightens your eyes and makes them pop. 6. Blend for a natural finish. Blending is critical to avoiding harsh lines. Use a small, fluffy brush for powder highlighter, your fingers for cream, or a damp beauty sponge for liquid formulas. Aim for a natural, seamless glow rather than sitting on top of your skin. 7. Layer for intensity. For a more intense glow, layer your highlighter. 1. Start with a cream or liquid highlighter as a base. 2. Set it with a powder highlighter in the same shade for long-lasting radiance. 8. Use highlighter beyond your face. Highlighter isn't just for your face, it can be applied to other areas for an all-over glow. 1. Collarbones and shoulders. Perfect for special occasions or summer outfits. 2. Body. Mix a liquid highlighter with body lotion for glowing skin. Conclusion: highlighter makeup is a versatile tool for achieving a radiant, polished look. By choosing the right products, applying them strategically, and blending them seamlessly, you can create a glow that enhances your natural beauty.